Ever had your workday grind to a halt because of equipment failure? Downtime hurts. Every minute matters. Introducing Vegazva Aftermarket, your ultimate solution to minimize equipment downtime and maximize efficiency. Diagnose visually, interact intuitively. Our platform lets you explore equipment in an interactive 3D view. Just hover over the parts and instantly you can pinpoint the problem. Click, identify, instant match. With a single click, access detailed info about the part price, real-time stock, everything you need. Genuine parts, real-time info, and one-click checkout make the process seamless. Track your order. Stay in control. From cart to checkout to tracking your order, we've got you covered. Your order is placed, and now you can focus on what really matters. This is Aftermarket. Reinvented. Get back to full functionality and keep your projects on track. Try Vegazva Aftermarket, built for real work.